Tell you that I might need to remove him.
Hey you guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and in this video I hope you're ready for this one because this is probably the most outrageous idea I've had yet. All right you guys, so I am heading over to my mom's house. She wants me to redesign, really she just wants me to clean up the garage, but I have this insane craving to turn her garage into a lounge. Honestly, I couldn't help myself. The idea came to mind and I just had to run with it. Come on. That would be pretty cool. Also keep in mind, there are limited resources to be able to do this, to be able to turn my mom's garage into a lounge. And so maybe I should rethink this whole design thing. She wants to have her car in the garage, so we'll see how we're gonna make that work. And it was here at this point when I realized there was no turning back. Yeah. And so I continued my way to my mom's, not knowing how I was going to make this work. All right, you guys, I'm here at my mom's. Here we are. Here we are. Like many of us do, we use the garage for storage. Let's just say it got a little out of hand. Might I add, this had to be done by the end of the day. Talk about pressure. I'm trying to work as quickly as I can before my mother could see it. I mean, but seriously, I was like trying to hurry up. So let's get to work. Oh yeah, I will be organizing. Please be advised. The plan here is to style and bring out my family so that they can see it and get their reaction. Let's just hope everything goes according to plan. You guys, check out my lounge. And I had to sit down. And now to get my family's reaction. For all who don't know, this is my brother, Chris. Check out the lounge.
A lounge? Is that what you guys trying to do here? So can mommy put her car in here?
Yeah.
Oh. Can it fit? Why are you guys have this like this?
Yeah. Now, in all honesty, I had no idea whether the car would fit. I was just eyeballing it and assumed that it would. You know.
Lounge. You're gonna have to like remove all of this and put TVs. I mean, yeah, this is nice. You did a good job. What are you gonna do with all the other stuff that like in the way?
Oh, I'm gonna talk to mommy about those and see which ones she wants to keep.
Oh, so you're gonna throw them out?
Yeah.
Or just sell it? People buy junk these days. $5, $10.
That gives you like an indication where to park.
I'm gonna tell you that I might need to remove him.
Oh, okay.
Might need to remove him. It depends. See, wow.
Success. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is all I wanted to hear. Now, the question still remains. Did the car actually fit into the garage? Did it fit? Well, here is the result. But overall, everyone loved it. Had a great time putting it together. To God be the glory in Jesus' name. I thank you guys. Enjoy. Take care.